Yo, 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 welcome back to the stream. I know y'all missed me. Y'all didn't see me yesterday. And I had big motion going on yesterday. Had a whole lot of things I had to accomplish, and I just could not be like on the stream at 7 o'clock. Right? So I was like, all right, cool. Well, look, since my schedule is getting pretty, pretty extreme, I might have to change some things up. But I'm here today, you guys, and we're going to analyze gold. So right now I got the charts pulled up on gold, and let's see if you were on the stream Monday. I'm sure you got the signal when I said that gold looked like it's going to fall. So that was the beginning of this week's analysis. Now I might start just doing that. I might just start giving you guys analysis at the beginning of the week on what my predictions are for the week. All right. So this way, if I'm gone, you already got Monday's predictions, right? For the week. But let's look at this real quick, guys. I want you guys to see something. Okay, so if you look at the bottom, there's a date, and it says Monday, the 25th of September, right? Now, I literally told you guys on Monday that this looked like a good setup for a sell, okay? And the setup for the sell entry price was 124. If you sold at 124, you were so deep in profit, guys. You're like, let's see what we are. You're like 330 pips in profit. Guys, I gave you this Monday. All you had to do was just sit in it. I gave it to you Monday. So let me make this thing bigger. I need to be able to see something real quick. Real fast, guys. My bad. Hold on. Just let me do this. All right. All right. Okay, so yeah, 300, what is it, 330 pips? Yeah, it's like 330 pips, guys. All right, easy shmoney, easy shmoney. All I did was look at it and I seen that, okay, well, this is looking like a pretty good setup as far as for the sell side versus like, I think the sell side was more, you know, more profitable because of the liquidities below. Like I told you, they was going to tag these eventually, right? We've been talking about this for like 3 weeks now. I think we've been talking about these trades for 3 weeks. This right here, we've been talking about it for 3 weeks. All right. And look, she's now down here tagging them. All of these are gone. All these guys X'd out now. Right? So let's just tidy it up. Everybody's gone. All these guys. They came and took this liquidity, guys. This is what I mean, like liquidity grabs. Right? They still got one more down here. But all these guys are gone. So we're just going to clean up this chart real quick. Like, and remember, I had put this pink box down here on Monday, and I said, hey, strong possibility of her coming down to the pink box. This is why I said the setup for sales is there. I was like, well, it's looking like a good setup for sales, and it showed it present itself on the 15-minute. All right, so I seen it on the 15-minute, and I was like, all right, well, looks good, looks like sales. Go to Monday's video and go see what I said, and look where price is now. Okay, so I didn't really even need to be here, to be honest. You guys could have just held off and just laid in a trade, right? Because we had targets here, right? Then I said over here there was targets, and then I did say I wanted to reach down here in this dollar sign, didn't I? This big pool of liquidity, I wanted to be there. And look, she's on her way. So this trade actually turned out to be a 1 for 14, right? Risk to reward ratio. So, and I think we could come a little lower, give me 400 pips. I really do believe that. All right. So you guys, pay attention. Be here on Mondays, okay? Because most likely Tuesdays I won't be here. Tuesdays and Thursdays I won't be here. You're only going to get me Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now, okay? Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I got some other things that needs my attention, and I have to give them my undivided full attention, right? It's a lot of filming I'm doing right now, a lot of recording, a lot of music recording to the studio last night, all the way up until what time was it? I want to say like 11:30, close to midnight. That I didn't finish recording, and I still had to get up at 4 this morning and be at the gym, right, with my gym partner. And yeah, I'm here at 7, right? But then after this, I gotta I got other things I do. I gotta do. I got meetings, I'm shooting a series, um, recording music, video shoots, photo shoots. A lot of stuff is going on, guys. Lots of stuff. So this is why I said I had to change my schedule, and I can only be here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay? So be looking out for that. Don't be disappointed if you don't see me on Tuesday and Thursday, because I'm telling you now, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. All right? Look at market. Look at her go, bro. Look at her go. Matter of fact, let's look at some other stuff. Let's look at DXY. What did I say about DXY? Boom. She had to get into this POI area, guys. Remember that? Remember I said DXY had to get up in that area? These are stuff that I marked previously. I haven't changed this stuff, guys. Look. We're still, since July, right? This trade has been running, right? Or gold has been going based off of this P&L. So I see above liquidity, which you guys should see the same thing. All right. And with that being said, there's a strong possibility of us getting up into that area. Why? Because this is slippage here and there's slippage above. And the momentum is to the upside. And we had taken liquidity before, and we see this. We see that. We marked it, right? So now all of these, they've been tagging these POI areas that I've been looking for her to get into. So now I'm just cleaning this up a little bit. Like, she really did get up in there. When I say that she's going to hit my POIs, most likely, you guys, 9 times out of 10, I'm right. All right? 9 times out of 10, I'm going to be right. All right. I'm still trying to get my adrenaline down from the gym, You know how it be when you leave the gym. Adrenaline still pumping. All right. So that's DXY. Let's look at US 30 real quick. Let's see how US 30 is looking. All right. Well, we got some crazy stuff happening up in here. Let me just clear it up so I can see what's going on. All right, we can leave that one because that's still, we don't need these. Okay. Looks like we had a P&L somewhere up in there too. Yeah, looks like it. All right, we had a P&L way up here. All right, they got this one filled in. Okay. We got this push down here. Looks like they tested back up into it, into this candle, this strong push down. And they are now testing back up into that candle. Let's see. They did hit my POI below. Okay. I mean, Monday US 30 was tagging people, guys. Like literally Monday she wasn't playing fair with anybody Monday. But I knew she was going to get into this area. I just didn't know how she was going to get in there. But it does show that right here, um, there was this push up and strong push up and then push down and then go off this area. So I was thinking like playing more say off of that candle on a 4 hour, like right here. Like I probably would have been in a little drawdown. Um, put it like somewhere like there, and this would have played out. This would have worked because I would have hit this first, and then the next target would have been down here. So I would have been looking for that. Now that would have played out. Let's see. Did we get down here? Yes, we got here. So that means that liquidity was taken down here, guys. Okay, liquidity was taken there. We got into this area here. So we could say that, you know, liquidity was taken there too, or grabbed or whatever. And we do have liquidity that was here getting taken as she was moving to the downside. So our eyes see that, right? We see that. Now I'm looking for her to continue down. Of course, there's going to be like some strong pullbacks, right? But, and then she did take this liquidity here. Let's see how far she dropped. All right. She didn't really drop that far, but she did take this liquidity, these double bottoms. And then there's a black candle over here that she did get like bounce off of to retrace, to go back and test the area that she broke, right? And now we could see her possibly move to the downside. You never know. Okay, so let's do this. Where is it? Let me go to the right. You can see it. All right. All right, I was taking. So let's go ahead and we have a new wave here. All right. Let's just mark this stuff up. I feel like marking up the chart. Mhm. All right. Anything here? No. There's something here. All right. And I mean, could have got a better shot dropping it down to the 1 hour and moving it here. Seeing that candle right there, putting it at the bottom. Look at that shot, right? This is where you want to shoot at. Hell yeah, please. With a little bit of the honey or the raw sugar. You don't have no honey? We got honey. All right. Oops, my bad, y'all. Okay, so I'm trying to get my tea in and everything, man. I need it right now. Get up. Like, my body is like drained. All right, so yeah, I'm looking to see about this come down. All right, and that's US 30. That's what I got for US 30 so far. So this is what we're looking at. See anything else? I don't really go any further down like that. For the most part, this is the area, the POI areas that I want to see, keep my eyes on, you know. But you, huh? It might be in here. I'm not sure. So, okay. So that's oops, US 30. Okay. So we're looking at right now she's trending down. And let's just go to the 4 hour, trending down, right? Daily, we're trending down. Weekly, well, right now we're pushing to the downside, so we're trending down. All right, so we got bearish momentum, right? And we see that, so we know that and we see that. We don't really want to place any buys. We want to place only sells, which I'm gonna be honest, I'm already in sales in US 30 because I already seen that she was moving to the downside yesterday. So gold, let's go back to gold. Gold is moving down nicely, getting into this area down here that I've been waiting on. All right, from Monday's trade, I'm still holding. So we'll see. We will see. All right. What else? Let's look at Bitcoin. Oh no, I don't want to see Bitcoin. Okay. I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, Monday I had already gave you guys the trade. I gave you guys this trade Monday at 1924 to sell at 1924. I already let you guys know that. Shouldn't be a surprise. That market is now down here at 1890. Right? Um. Oh. Anything else? This is hourly. No, because she's just tanking for me, so it's looking good. I'm not really wanting to do anything but just let her run. Um, I'm not gonna like jump in the trade down here or anything like that. It's more say me just letting her do her thing and just run. All right, like she's moving now, she's running. Okay, let me see if US 30 is running. Okay, US 30 is running pretty good. Let's look at NAS real quick. Let's see what NAS is. Oh, man, appreciate that. Needed it. Needed it. So let's see what else we got. I don't know. Everything looking amazing right now. Like, ain't gonna lie. Last week beat me up. This week, not gonna beat me up. Like I've been catching on this week. So um, I don't wanna mess it up, and which I won't. And by placing more trades and trying to like grow my account super fast and big, no, I ain't trying to do that right now. Just trying to slowly keep a steady pace so I can win the race. You know what I mean? Like slow and steady wins the race. Always have and always will. Man, it brought me up already. It's not even that serious. All right, let's charge. Next phone. Let's go. Let's look at what other pairs can we look at? Because NAS is doing her thing. I want to look at NAS because NAS and US 30 and SPX 500 they correlate with each other. But look at NAS. Look at all this stuff that NAS has below. Right? Like let's just look left. Always look left, guys. I look left all the time because it tells me what, like basically what the market is doing and what is going to do based off of what is done in the past, right? So I can really get an idea and get some targets going that I would like to see market tag. Okay, that's enough. Okay, let's put it here. Because it does look like we're going into a bearish market here, guys. Bearish on gold, bearish on US 30, bearish on SPX 500. And I think we're more say bullish on DXY. So yeah, look, see, these are like my little targets here. So I'm looking to see, you know, these dollar signs get smacked. You know what happens when I put dollar signs on the chart, right? All right, let's go back to this is gonna be, look, she's gonna fall, guys. On this high, that's really too high, but I probably would like, there's a gap above there. I'll just put it like chance of like right above that high. Right? And then I'm gonna drop down 15 minutes. Let's see what the heck going on. Sufficient. Let's do that. All right. I would like to see that pop off. Where are we at? 7:30. Do we have any news today? It's what, Tuesday? I mean Wednesday. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why I want to say it's Tuesday. I wasn't here Tuesday. It's Wednesday, and I don't see any news. Let me go back. Okay, we ain't got no news. All right, so I would like news. News will give me a reason on where markets is going to go. We got some liquidity below. I'm looking to aim for that liquidity below because we are trending to the downside, but it's a strong possibility that we could work our way back up to the upside. this liquidity here, little gap here, guys. Little gap. Not really no gaps here, except for way up here. It's pretty sufficient. So let's see if this area will be something to possibly pay off of. Gotta check the higher time frame though. See this area here? It's got a lot of liquidity above. Strong possibility of us going up there. Let me see. Did we take liquidity below? Well, we did. We took these guys. Right? These guys are out. All right. I mean, there's a lot of slippage up here. I could see market coming back up. Strong possibility of it coming. Guys, don't just jump in a trade because I throw P&Ls out. All right. I'm analyzing to see if this is going to be a good area. All right. I mean, we could come back up some, but I would say I would want it to be here because of this liquidity here, that space. There's that imbalance there. So it's like, well, I would take like probably 50% of that, right? Something like that. If we can get up there, right? I want to see her get that far. It would be here. All right. And then if this one didn't play out, it'll be the next one because there's more liquidity up here. And that would be my other shot that I would probably take. Let's say that, and then bring it down. That might be better. You never know. Okay. I want to see her fall down. All right. Let's get Let's see what's happening. All right. I will be looking for those. Let's see what's happening here. Well, US 30 got a little bit of 15-minute insufficient price action above right here. All right. Tea time. Tea time. Muffin. she might come back up to these areas. All right, so back to gold. See where we are. Just want to manage gold accordingly. And she looks like she's doing well. There's not really much we need to do to gold, guys. Gold is running and is going to continue to run. Run in our direction. Um, all right. The only thing on this trade I would say, if you haven't already, go ahead and manage your stop loss, and then that's all I'm gonna do is just like my stop losses all my stop losses are in profit, guys. Every last one of them. They're all in profit. Okay. So all my trades are risk-free trades. If it come and hit, it hit. If it don't, hey, you know, I'm good. I'm still good. Either way. All right, there we go. Run it up. DXY what falling a little bit. 15-minute fall. Not much happening there, guys. It really isn't that much happening today, to be honest. Like after seeing like all day yesterday that she was like tanking, and Monday's trade was playing out beautifully and all TPs were hit, like yeah, we might get even more push to the downside. But this is a whole lot of sellers going on right now. They're really pushing their market to the downside. Reaching for liquidity, taking liquidity. See, look, they took these guys out. These guys are going. So this side is like pretty much clear now. All this is clear. So I'm looking here. I got the triple bottoms down here. So these triple bottoms right here is just like standing out, right? We know that that's what liquidity. All right. I'm going back and forth. Y'all gonna see me go back and forth. I'm trying to. All right. Let's see. And let me check something else real quick. Let me check Euro USD real fast. Let's see what Euro USD doing. Check it on 4 hour. Oh man. Okay, good. So she getting down in this wick right here. We look left. That this area right here, this wick. But let's see what's below that. Money. Yeah, we got some monies there. It's not bad. We got money. So look how we're trending to the downside, guys. This is downtrend right here. Like, would you be buying in this market? If you say yes, your account is gone. This is a straight seller's market, guys. All right, you need to be able to recognize a seller's market and a buyer's market and a sideways trend market. You need to understand that. This is why we come to these charts every day and analyze. And you have to analyze knowing that, seeing the trends. Lots of opportunities for enters, re-entries to lots of them. Look, we were back here playing in August, what, 9th? And this trade could have been held out. Like, it could have came way down here. It would have been 456 pip trade from just this area here. The 9th and holding it up until now is 456 pip trade. It's pretty awesome, guys. And of course, we have some more liquidity and things below, but it doesn't mean that this market is just gonna like plummet and just go down. That's not what this means, guys. Let's see. I don't have a trade right now because Monday's trade just played out. See, that's the thing about trading. You'll get a trade, it'll play out for you. And then you'll see other moves and you'll want to get in. But I don't think that that's a good idea because you got a runner. You got a trade that's already doing very, very, very well. So why would you want to take away from the profits of that trade that's running well by placing another one and possibly losing that trade, the new trade? You don't want to do that. You definitely don't want to do that, guys. What? So let your runners run, cut your losers early, and let's trade. Let's trade and win. I'm just going to keep analyzing these markets. I got 15 more minutes with you guys. Then I have to jet. But looking at these markets right now and coming to do an update with you guys, it's like not really much we're going to do. I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to be placing any trades today. I'm just going to be managing and watching and monitoring the ones that I got running right now. Okay, that's it. This gold trade is enough for me. I don't need anything else on the table right now. I just want to leave like this money that I'm gathering off the table is good. I like it, and I could just, it's slow and steady, it's winning the race. That's what I mean, guys. Right? So, make sure you guys are just here on Monday. Mondays are very important days. Very, very important days. That's like how I'm going to give you the outlook for the week. Like, really, I'm going to tell you for the week the possibilities of what market could do for the week. All right. So, I could sit here a little longer with you guys. Hold on. All right. It is Wednesday. We're going to call it Weed Wednesday. It's Weed Winning Wednesday. A lot of stuff going on today on Wednesday. I got a pretty book schedule today. It's cool. It is cool. I'm just waiting to that 8 o'clock time just to see what the 8 o'clock is going to do. Because after 8 o'clock, I got to use it. So you guys, last night, after the studio, like I was super tired, but my executive producer wanted to shoot some pool, right? So I got these glow in the dark balls and it's set up on my pool table so that you just turn on a bright light and then all the balls will glow and then you'll be able to see the pockets glow, like the kit that's on the pool table. You see it glow, so it's showing all the pockets and stuff, right? So it was like so crazy lit. Um, you know, and we up for like 30 minutes, extra 30 minutes, you know, we're supposed to be asleep. Gotta get up at 4 a.m. We up another 30 minutes shooting pool before we go to bed. You know, just discussing the track that we had just recorded, which is fire, right? I can't wait to like give out like all this music. It will be on all major streaming platforms as soon as we finish doing all the paperwork and stuff for it. I'm actually doing my artistry websites and stuff like that, trying to update everything for everybody. I know a lot of people want to hear my music. They've been, you know, wanting to see what's good with me and what is it that I'm talking about and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm trying to like do as much as I can as far as like getting all of that together. I'm already registered as an artist in BMI and ASCAP, so um, I'm just taking the next proper steps to you know, legalize my artistry. That's all. And before I can put anything out, I have to make sure that the legal paperwork and the ramifications are all in order. Okay. So just stay tuned to that. I know my page is looking a little blank. My YouTube page is looking blank right now. But things do get better. It will get lit. It'll be live here real soon. But right now, I come here and I'm talking to y'all about forex and about this money, right? Because we need to live, we need to eat. And right now, gold is paying me so I can eat. I've been starving. I need to eat. And here we got gold dropping for me, giving me nice profits, right? So I've already hit my target for the day. To be honest, once 7 o'clock had happened, I was already like hitting my targets for the day. So I'm pretty good there, guys. Yo, where is the lighter? Let me check the ring cam. Where the freak is the lighter at? In the living room. Okay. I'm going to have to go get it. Give me a second. Let's go look at US 30 real quick. She's not really doing anything. Yeah, not really doing much, guys. Just consolidating on NAS. Consolidating on US 30. DXY moving down a little bit. So gold could pull up some, but she could just continue to drop because she is trending down. But we eventually going to have to come back up, guys, and we're going to have to like tag all of these people that's buying, like pick up some liquidity so that way we can push more further down. But this slow and steady winning the race is looking good. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. That looks amazing. That's how I want to see markets look. Just treating me real nice. Let's look at one more thing. I want to see one more thing. Euro USD. Remember, if Euro USD, if DXY is moving down, Euro USD is going to like start moving opposite because those are opposites, right? So they don't go in the same direction. So as you can see, we got the 15-minute Euro USD trending, like trying to not trend, but it's like pulling back, right? Then you got dollar pulling down. So if that's the case, gold is probably like moving up a little bit, just a little bit, right? Not much movement happening right now, guys. Literally, if we don't have like until we get news, which we're probably not getting news until Monday. Yeah, we got Fed Chair Paul like he's speaking or whatever, but like that's nothing, guys. We got more stuff down here. We got the core PCE price index, right? We got that. That's pretty much it. Let's see anything else. 9 a.m. These ain't gonna mean nothing. That ain't gonna mean nothing. Only thing that's gonna really mean something is probably like this area here is probably gonna make a little noise. And then who is that? Somebody on my ring cam. All right. Anyways, so this news at 3 o'clock, like I don't know. That's not gonna do anything really. Oh, we do have this little unemployment claims here. So this 7 o'clock in the final GDP. I don't even know what that is, but it's high news and it's at 7:30 on Thursday. So look, we have a news Thursday and Friday. Those are the only times we have a news. We got this little news here on today, but that ain't it ain't doing nothing, as you could tell. Like it's already past 7:30, and what has news done to us? Nothing really. Like we haven't did any. It hasn't did anything. Look, news. Here 7:30. It's up in this area. All we did was just pull back. So that's it. That's it, guys. Now, not much. All right. So not worrying about news right now. Oh yeah, she's moving up. All right. What about gold? What about euro? Look at 1 hour. 4 hour here. Yeah. There's not much happening. I'm seeing Euro USD just, just run. Run to the downside. Gold is doing the same thing. Run to the downside, get below these lows. Let's go back to Euro. Run to the downside, get below these lows. That's what I'm looking for, guys. That's it. And I'm going to hold until it happens. All right. I'm going to hold gold. That's Euro. My bad. My bad, guys. All right. So I'm going to hold gold. This is what I'm holding because it's about to be 8 o'clock in 2 minutes. I'm holding gold until it gets really low, to 1884. Once it comes down to 1884, I'm going to be looking to manage it and see like how I want to play it out. Do I want to take partials and just let the rest run at that price, or do I want to close out completely? It's all going to just depend, guys. It's just going to just depend on how basically market is like, price action is moving. All right. Other than that, I'm not going to waste any more of you guys' time. I'm not going to hold you guys up. I don't think I'm wasting your time because I'm actually giving you some powerful, very, very powerful information right here. Showing you this is all money. If you come in here, we're talking about money, guys. If you're on my channel, you're only here to talk about money. That's it. Because this is all money. There's no other product besides the currency, right? So, and that's what I do. I do analysis on currencies, right? I mean, I could do analysis on Tesla, Apple, all those little New York stocks and stuff, but I am like focus driven on currencies. Okay, so I'm basically, I'm going to stick to that. That's what I mean. I want to show y'all something real quick, just real fast before we get out of the stream. Then I got nothing to do with it. Okay, here we go. All right, remember, it was like mid this year, they said Ripple had won the case against the SEC or something like that, or some type of case. They was in court for something, and they basically won the case, right? And then they shot up, right? Let me tell y'all what I did. I sold, right? This is them winning that case. Look, this was in July. Yeah, July. So this is them winning that case, and look how market just shot up. Look, I'm going to show you. Oops, let me lock this because I don't want y'all to miss this. I want to show y'all that I sold when everybody else was like, buy Ripple. They won the case. Okay, you sheep. Let's see. So they get up here. I noticed that I found some insufficient price action from and double tops and everything. I did an analysis on it. And then come to find out, they mitigated off of that, off of my area of interest. So this is where I sold at. I started seeing it wicked up and then it came down. I sold. I sold at 90 cents. 91 cents, I'm sorry. Right here at 91 cents, I sold. While everybody was sitting up there talking about, well, you should just invest and buy just a little bit of Ripple. Don't tell me how to trade. Please don't. Because if it's the population, the general population that's out here trying to tell us, like my mama or my aunties and all that, y'all don't trade for nothing. Don't look at charts. You're just going off of what everybody else is saying and doing. So guess what I'm gonna do? The total opposite. They was buying, you know, and guess what I did? I sold. Just want to show you guys that. I just want to show you. Like, I don't play no games. And I knew they was coming back low below here too. Boom. I ain't even like put my P&L low enough. My thing is, do your own technical analysis and don't listen to other people that don't trade, that don't look at markets, that don't watch price action. Use your own knowledge. Do your own research. Analyze these charts yourself. Don't base it off of what other people are saying, because a lot of people are going to say a lot of things and they're going to be wrong. 100% wrong. And a lot of them are wrong, right? They don't have mental clarity at all. And they just sit up there like trying to get rich quick or some shit, thinking that they can, but it's not going to happen. They didn't design this world like in that way for people to just be getting rich like that. It's especially not people who is like on the lower class type thing. You know what I mean? Like they're not gonna be bringing like the lower class and making them super rich. You know, the news is just an excuse to move markets, guys. Y'all got to know that too. That's all it is. It's just an excuse to move these markets. So don't listen to the hype. Don't if you hear a lot of people talking about it, man, it's over with. All right, you already missed your chance. By the time it get to your ears, it's already changed trends. See, and I knew it. I was like, yo, it's way up at 90. I'm not finna buy that. I'm not buying that. I went and pulled up the chart. I'm like, I'm not buying it. I'm not buying Ripple when it's up there at 91 cents. It's all the way at the top. No way. I'm selling it. I'm selling it because the general population is buying it. So I'm gonna do the opposite of what they doing. All right. Quick tip. You know what I mean? Just little bit of mindset. Don't follow the crowd. Ain't no FOMO over here. You ain't missing out on shit. Right? So that was just a quick tip real quick. I just want to give you that before I get up off this stream. I'm gonna check gold one more time. Let's see how we running on gold. How's our shmoney's looking here? Shmoney's looking good. Let's lock this. Let's look at euro. Looking amazing. Just straight up amazing. Let's look at US 30. US 30. Get up there, US 30. I would sell her right here. Like straight up. Let's see. Yeah, I would try to. Unless I see something like above that was like messed up. Yeah, there's some stuff above. I would be waiting to see like maybe get up in here. This would be first shot, second shot, third shot. You know, like that's just how I would play it. Oops. All right, that's what I got there. All right, guys. I'm still waiting on you, Naz, to get her butt up there too. All right, nasty, I need you to get up there. But that's it. I'm going to be standing by and I'm going to be watching these trades, guys. Like I said, like we're deep in profit on gold because gold, you're really here for the gold. Gold is why we're here. All the other trades are just bonuses. If I'm looking at other charts, they're bonuses. But gold, yeah. All right. Everything is still moving and grooving and looking good. Except for US 30. Look at that. She needs to get up there. All right. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. That's all I got for y'all, man. Just keep holding this trade, keep managing this trade. If you did take this trade on Monday, I saw a few people who were tuned in or whatever. If you took this trade, it's running 349 pips in profit. I would just say go ahead and just take like, you know, a nice amount off the table. Let's see. Um, I would say go ahead and secure 200 pips, right? Go ahead and secure, move your stop loss at 1904.72 and just hold it and then just let the rest just ride. That's pretty much it. All right. Not much, that we have to do to this trade, but just make sure that we go ahead and grab your money. See money, grab it. All right. Grab the money and then let's hold the rest. That's what we gonna do. We gonna hold the rest. All right. Maybe when I come back, we might on Friday, right? Monday, Wednesday, Friday. All right. Just change the schedule today, guys. As I got filming and stuff I have to do on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So on Friday, when I come back, we're gonna see if we got up in here. Right. So be paying attention to the markets. And I know if you're like a real trader, you're actually looking at the markets on the daily. Like I stay with my MetaTrader up on my phone, guys. All right. So I'm always monitoring my trades. I'm always looking at these markets, whether I'm on stream or in my Telegram group or not. I am in the markets and I am watching. All right. So other than that, I appreciate you guys for coming by the stream today. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll be seeing you guys Friday at 7 a.m. Central Time. All right. Y'all take it easy until then. One love. Peace.